wenglor sensors and image processing technologies are used in all industries worldwide. But their reliability, performance, and quality promise are not only demonstrated in the smart factories of our customers. After all, wenglor products are used in almost every division of wenglor itself, because trust begins right here. How do photoelectronic sensors actually achieve such a high degree of precision in contactless object detection? Automatic lens adjustment is an important part of this recipe for success. The vertical tray buffer is equipped with a tray basket. This long-range laser distance sensor checks whether trays are present in the product baskets. This retro-reflex sensor controls the lifting movement, while this through-beam sensor controls tray changes. A vision sensor controls detection of the lens position, while also providing correction values to the robot. The lens is checked, its precise position is detected, and identified offset values are sent to the robot control system. The highest optoelectronic precision is achieved using wenglor sensors for lens adjustment. The automation capability of these sensors represents the next step to the smart factory.